Hi there! In this video, you'll learn how to add a new port and a new Ethernet virtual connection, or EVC, for your AT&T Switched Ethernet with Network on-Demand service. Start on the Business Center dashboard and choose Network Inventory. Note, if you have multiple services, you can sort your inventory by service and choose AT&T Switched Ethernet. Then, click Apply. You can use the Search By option and fill in the criteria if you were looking for a specific location. We will review 3 different ways to start your order. On the Network Inventory page, choose one of the following options to add a port. Option 1. Select Order a Service. Then, select AT&T Switched Ethernet on Demand if adding a new location. Option 2. Select a pre-qualified location. You can isolate your inventory under the Status option. Then, expand the location you want to use by choosing the plus sign. Next to AT&T Switched Ethernet, go to Actions and select Create Order. Option 3. Go to an existing site, choose Actions, then Add Service, then choose AT&T Switched Ethernet on Demand. In this example, we will use the pre-qualified site at 350 South Grand Avenue. Expand the location with the plus sign. Then choose Actions and Create Order. Note, since the address is pre-qualified and is being added as new, it appears on the map in green, indicating a new location. You may also see existing locations show up in blue on the map. You can add additional details such as building, floor, and room. An indication that the address qualifies for FiberFast is also represented if applicable. Select Next. Now, add the contact information for the building, technical, and backup. You can add a new contact, or just start typing and choose from the available contacts. Select Next. Select the contract details from the drop-downs, or choose the search criteria and enter the search string. Select the contract, account, group, and sub-account you want to add the port to. Note, if you only have one contract with one sub-account, this step is omitted. Select Next. You are now at the port configuration section. Enter a port alias if needed, port interface, port bandwidth, port designation, and class of service, basic class of service, interstate, or intrastate, and any add-ons. Note, use the scroll bar on the right to choose all available options for your configuration. You will see the charges listed at the bottom. Select Next. In this example, this location qualified for FiberFast, so you can now select an available date and choose Next. You can now choose how to connect this port to your network. Our options are connect to an existing EVC, connect to existing port with a new EVC, and connect to a new port with new EVC. In this example, we will connect to an existing port with a new EVC. Make your selection and click Next. You can select a port from Active Inventory or Pending Orders. We will choose Active Inventory and enter the details for either street address or circuit ID and select it from the list. You can see the connections on the map. In this example, we chose a San Antonio location from the map. Note, you can drill down on the map if there are multiple locations, or you can enter in the circuit details to find your location. Choose Next. Now you can configure the EVC. Choose the connection type, EVC segment bandwidth, EVC segment class of service, and VLAN ID. Once you have made your selections, select Review Order. On the Review Order page, you can see your order details. You can cancel the order, edit, or delete portions of the order from this page. Once you are satisfied with your selections, check Authorizations at the bottom of the page. Note, billing is determined by the port's bandwidth. Then, click Submit Order and your order will be processed. You can use the order ID when checking the status of your order on the main dashboard under the Orders tile. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos in this series. You can also talk to us by visiting att.com/digital training.